In this problem, we're going to review the 3-2B lesson, which had real-world problems. And this one says a boa constrictor is 30.4 inches when it is 8 weeks old. At 32 weeks, it is 49.6 inches long. First, we're going to state the independent and dependent variables. So our independent variable, which is going to be x, one second. Is going to be time in weeks. And our dependent variable, which is going to be y as it always is going to be length in inches. And similar to what we did if you watch the videos for 3-2A, we're going to take these facts, which is 8, 30.4, and 32, 49.6, and we're going to calculate the slope. If you need a review of labeling points and the slope formula, I would encourage you to go back to some of the videos at the start of this for the 3-2A, because I am just kind of quickly plugging these into the formula and not labeling my points. All right, we got 49.6 minus 30.4, which is 19.2. And we have 24. All right, we need to simplify this. Multiply by maybe 10. Divide by 2. Maybe there's a more efficient way to do this. Divide by 2. Divide by 4. And divide by 3. That was probably the most inefficient way to simplify that, as I probably should have divided 192 by something larger than 2, or maybe chose not to multiply by 10 here to simplify this, maybe multiply by 5 or something better. Oh well, we got our slope. It is correct, 4/5 or 0.8. Next, we're going to take this in one of our points, and we're going to plug it into y equals mx plus b. So we have 30.4 equals 0.8 times 8 plus b. And we have b is 24. All right, so our equation in slope-intercept form is y equals 4/5 x plus 24. Follow-up questions are, we want to figure out how long the boa constrictor will be after 1 year. So we're going to set time equal to 52 or 52 weeks. And we have y equals, we can pick whichever one. I'm now maybe going to go back to this one so that I can type this a bit quicker in my calculator. And that comes out to be 65.6 inches. And then the other question, the last question, as I kind of clean this up, oops. Well, I'll fix that later. You got the idea. Is what does the y-intercept represent? Well, y-intercept was 24, and 24 represented at week 0 the length of the boa constrictor. So we'll say something about this would be the length of the boa constrictor at birth, which would be 24 inches when time is 0. If you're looking for more of these, I would suggest looking at the 3-2B lesson and homework.